Welcome back to Vegan Dose. Today, we're diving into the essentials of a vegan diet. We'll cover the basics, the ethical reasons behind it, and provide a comprehensive list of foods you can enjoy. Whether you're new to veganism or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will give you a solid foundation. The basics of a vegan diet. At its core, a vegan diet excludes all animal products. This means no meat, fish, dairy, eggs, or honey. Instead, vegans rely on plant-based foods, which include fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The goal is to avoid all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty. A vegan diet is rich in nutrients and offers numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. It's also known for promoting weight loss, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. If you're finding this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more content like this. Ethics of veganism. One of the main reasons people choose a vegan diet is ethical considerations. The vegan philosophy extends beyond diet and encompasses a lifestyle that seeks to avoid all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty. Animal welfare. Vegans believe that animals have a right to live free from suffering and exploitation. Factory farming practices are often inhumane, with animals subjected to overcrowded conditions, physical mutilations, and premature death. Environmental impact. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of environmental degradation, contributing to deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. By choosing a vegan diet, individuals can significantly reduce their environmental footprint. Health and sustainability. The production of plant-based foods typically requires fewer resources and generates less pollution compared to animal agriculture. A shift towards a vegan diet is seen as a step towards a more sustainable and health-conscious future. Foods list for a vegan diet. Now, let's explore the vast array of foods that you can enjoy on a vegan diet. Fruits and vegetables. The foundation of a vegan diet. Fresh, frozen, or dried. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Grains and cereals. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, and millet are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are rich in protein, fiber, iron, and folate. They can be used in soups, stews, salads, and as meat substitutes in various dishes. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Tofu and tempeh. Versatile and high in protein. These soy-based products can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to sandwiches. Plant-based milks. Almond, soy, oat, coconut, and rice milk are popular alternatives to dairy milk. They can be used in cooking, baking, and as beverages. Plant-based oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and flaxseed oil are common in vegan cooking, providing healthy fats and flavor. Herbs and spices. Fresh and dried herbs and spices add flavor and nutrients to vegan dishes. Experiment with basil, cilantro, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and more. Condiments and sauces. Many condiments are naturally vegan, like mustard, ketchup, soy sauce, and hot sauce. Look for vegan versions of mayonnaise, salad dressings, and cheese sauces. Vegan alternatives. There are many vegan substitutes for traditionally animal-based products. Look for plant-based cheeses, yogurts, ice creams, and meat substitutes made from soy, seitan, or pea protein. Supplements. While a well-planned vegan diet can provide most essential nutrients, some vegans choose to take supplements to ensure they're meeting their nutritional needs. Common supplements include vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. Found in fortified foods or as a supplement. Vitamin D, important for bone health and immune function. Can be obtained from sunlight exposure, fortified foods, or supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Consider an algae-based supplement if needed. Iron. Plant-based sources include legumes, tofu, quinoa, and spinach. Iron supplements may be necessary for some individuals. Calcium. Found in fortified plant milks, tofu, and leafy green vegetables. Supplements can be used if dietary intake is insufficient. Transitioning to a vegan diet. Transitioning to a vegan diet can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Educate yourself. Learn about the nutritional needs and benefits of a vegan diet. There are many resources available online, including blogs, videos, and documentaries. Plan your meals. Take time to plan your meals and snacks. This will help ensure you're getting a balanced diet and make the transition smoother. Find vegan alternatives. Experiment with vegan versions of your favorite foods. There are many delicious plant-based alternatives available. Connect with others. Join vegan communities online or locally to share experiences, recipes, and support. Connecting with like-minded individuals can make the transition easier and more enjoyable. Be patient with yourself. Changing your diet is a process. It's okay to make mistakes and learn along the way. Every step you take towards a vegan lifestyle is a positive one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Your support helps us create more content to help you on your vegan journey. Stay compassionate, stay curious, and enjoy exploring the world of veganism.